Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by powering down the Google Fiber box and unplugging the power cable. Wait 5 minutes to discharge capacitors and protect components. Put on an anti-static wrist strap and attach it to a grounded metal object. Clear a 12-inch workspace and lay a soft cloth down to protect the case. Gather a Phillips #2 screwdriver and a nylon pry tool before you begin. Take a photo of each cable and port to document original connections. Flip the box so the rear panel faces you and locate 4 screws securing the case. Remove all 4 screws using the Phillips #2 screwdriver and store them safely. Turn the unit so the front faces away from you for leverage. Slide the top cover toward the front about 1/2 inch to disengage internal tabs. If the cover resists, insert a nylon pry tool at the seam 3.5 inches from the left edge. Gently lift the cover straight up before touching any components. Ground yourself by wearing the anti-static strap and contacting the chassis. Disconnect coax, fiber, and Ethernet cables by gripping connectors and pulling straight out. Avoid pulling on wires or forcing connectors at an angle. Inspect connectors and reseat any loose cables until they click into place. Replace the cover by aligning tabs and sliding it until you hear a firm click. Reinstall 4 screws. Tightening finger tight plus a quarter turn. Do not exceed 20.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.